How to upload MP3 voice file to ManyChat for Instagram reply. So first, go to your account and then just click on automation here to the left side. Next is just click on new automation here at the top and then click on start from scratch. Now here, you just need to add a trigger first. Click on new trigger, Instagram, and then just click on any of the triggers here. So for example, I'm going to use the user sends a message. Okay, now you just need to select any of the two options here. So I'll just use the second one since it uses AI, so the AI would recognize the intention of the message. As for the first one, it detects the specific words in a message. So you just need to type in the manually type in the words that you want the chat to detect. So this is, since that's manual, then this is automatic. I'll just use the AI. And then if the message is about, let's say, person asks about business hours, or the person asks whether we're open on Mondays, something like that. So just click on create. So whenever a user sends us a message, and the message is about the user asking if we're open on Mondays, then we're going to reply with a MP3 voice file. Just select Instagram here, and then in order for you to be able to upload a voice file here to make it as a reply, you just need to click on more here, and then click on audio, then click on more here and audio again. So you can reply using yes or no. So if you want to reply only yes, you can just close this and just use one, and then you can just upload your audio file here explaining why you're open on Mondays, something like that, or if you're open on Mondays, something like that. And then once you've uploaded your MP3 voice file here as your reply, then just click on set live and you're done. So if you want to preview it, just click on this one, and then since I didn't have a voice file uploaded here, it would look like this. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.